Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. If you are new to this channel of mine, then welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I would be ever so grateful if you also subscribed whilst you're here. I am just enjoying a coffee in my brand new mug. Did I need it? No, I didn't, but it's got a pumpkin on it. How cute is this? This was from Home Bargains, $3.99. This is just all I'm going to drink out of from now on. Today is just not a vibe. This weather, oh my god. It is so windy today when I'm filming this. It's so dark. So I mean, I don't have a ring light or anything. Like, it's the most unprofessional setup. So yeah, if I'm a little bit dark, it's just a really gloomy day and a real day to want to sit inside and get your pajamas on. I've got to go to the school run soon, but that is definitely what I'm going to be doing this evening. And I'm filming this on a Tuesday, and we all know what Tuesday is, the night of Bake Off. I just live for that programme. I love it so much. It's just got so many memories as well, because I remember starting my maternity leave when that came on, when I had Toby. So like, it's been on forever, hasn't it? So that was like 11 years ago, and I remember thinking, like, when I was on maternity leave, thinking, yes, I can just watch Bake Off and know that I've not got to go work tomorrow. Just that I'm having a baby at any point, which is far more scarier. I also remember Dylan was born on a day that it was on, and we got to go home. Like, I was in and out of the hospital with Dylan, and I remember thinking, I can watch Bake Off when I get in, like, with my little snuggly baby. Yeah, it's my favourite thing in the world. It's something me and my sister watch together all the time, normally with some like snacks. It's my happy little autumn tradition. So if you watch it, let me know in the comments down below, because yeah, it's just the best. It's like the hour where I don't want to be interrupted at all. And it is already great this year. There's some really nice contestants on it, so I've already got a few favourite people. But anyway, that's enough about Bake Off. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a huge haul. Loads and loads to get through, so I need to stop going on. Everything that I've got in today's haul is from Cherryz. If you haven't heard of them, they are a great online store. They sell a bit of everything from all your household essentials to gorgeous homeware, groceries. It's really good for if you want to stock up on things and you don't want to pay supermarket prices, then you can have it all obviously delivered to your house. You haven't got to cart loads of shopping bags back to the house, which is something that I do on a regular basis and completely regret when I've just got massive bagfuls of things. And because I am very lucky to be working with them again for today's video, I also have a discount code for anybody that hasn't placed an order with them before. You can get 25% off. If you spend over £20, you just have to use the code CarlyElizabeth25 at the checkout. It's an absolutely huge saving. So if you've never shopped with them before, I mean, the prices are already great, so to get an extra 25% off everything is really worth taking advantage of. But I'm going to show you everything that I got, because there is so much, like I say, and it's a real mixed bag. I got a lot of gorgeous homeware and also essentials, stocking up on things. So yeah, I'll jump straight into it. Okay, so I've got my massive, oh, a bit croaky. I've got my massive box next to me. I'm going to first show this because I'm really excited to unwrap it, and it is just the most snuggly thing ever. You might have seen it on my thumbnail. I wish you could feel it. It's so soft. So they've got a lot of things like this, snuggly, gorgeous things for the winter. I am a sucker for a throw. I can't resist. I just love them so much, and I'm desperate to know how big this is because I didn't actually check. I just knew I wanted it. They had a couple of different colours of this as well. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, whether I'm going to put it on the bed or... Oh, it's really quite big. Oh, I love it. Maybe it can stay down here. I got up at 5 o'clock this morning, so this is just not a good idea because I could very easily fall asleep. I love it, and I think everyone's going to want this, so I might keep it downstairs because I do really like to have throws on hand when we're in the living room. Kids love to snuggle up with a throw, and obviously if it's getting chilly, to save putting the heating on as well, I'm going to have a lot of these about. I always do anyway. So tonight when I'm watching Bake Off, I'm going to be all snuggled up. So yeah, really happy with that. Like I say, they did have a couple of different colours. I think they might have had a pink one, and then maybe more like a brown sort of colour, I think. But like I say, they add stuff all the time, so it's worth just keeping an eye on any new items that are coming on their website. They have like a section where you can see what's new in, which I like to check quite often. I also got some of these because I've got a lot of cushions, inners, without cases, so I thought I would get a couple of pillowcases because I don't want to buy the pillows because then I'm overrun with pillows, and sometimes it's nice to just change up your pillowcases. And these are a 2-pack of embossed cushion covers. They're actually a really pretty pattern. They feel really thick as well. So that is them. I think that'll go with the throw quite nicely actually. It's just a danger with it being white. I never learn my lesson. Do it with clothing, homeware, but yeah, I'll just try my best to keep them white. But that is a 2-pack of them. I think they are really nice, really thick. I also, because I meant to pick one of these up the other week and I completely forgot because I only got one and Dylan and Archie have bunk beds and I wanted to get another white sheet. So it's literally a single fitted non-iron white sheet. And just to go over the prices of those 3 items that I've just shown you, so the sheet was £5, pillowcases for the 2 of them were £3, so only £1.50 each. I think that's really good. And then the big snuggly throw was £25. I also got this gorgeous little candle which is wild fig and vanilla, just those scents. It smells really expensive actually. It smells really posh. Smells like I've just gone into a homeware shop where I can't afford the items that are in there and just look at things, and then they ask you if you need any help and you just go, no thank you, I'm just looking, knowing full well that you're not going to buy any of it because it's all really expensive, but it's all beautiful. That's what it smells like. It smells like one of those shops. That's the best way I can describe it to you. Let me find out how much it was. £5 for that. I can't wait to burn that. God, it's just obsession with candles and things. Like, I honestly think that I'm going to end up with like a hoarding problem for some of these items, especially the pumpkins. I've got more pumpkins. I'll find them in a minute to show you because I've found some pumpkins on Cherryz as well. Yeah, I'll find them in a minute. I also got a room spray. That's fancy, isn't it? Amber and bergamot. I think that looks really nice as well. Like if you'd have it on display in your bathroom, it looks really fancy. Oh, that's really nice too. I like that. That's like a nice body spray, to be honest. Yeah, I think it's a really nice, these sorts of things in your bathroom. Very opulent. £6 for that. Okay, so here are the pumpkins, which are just the cutest little things ever. They're like orange velvet. They definitely had some other sized ones. They might have had a bigger one actually. But I went for these 3 little ones. God knows where I'm going to put all these things. I love it when they do them in like a velvet. I don't know if they're going to be squishy. Oh, they are. They're like little oranges. They're little squishy ones. So that was a 3-pack. It's the cutest little shape, isn't it? £6 for these 3. So £2 each for the diddy little squishy pumpkins. Love them. And then I also got this, which would be perfect for my little pumpkins. Little autumn display I can do. A few leaves. Very farmhouse. Yeah, I got this piece of wood tray because I just thought it was really cool and I think it'll look nice in the kitchen. Like I say, a little autumn display on there, or just some nice jars. I got a jar actually. Things like this would just be dead cute on there. This comes with a little spoon. How gorgeous is that? Oh, I just love it, with some nice jam or something in. Honey, I don't know. I just love all this stuff. So yeah, I got a little jar as well, which I did think actually would be good for, in one of my other videos I showed some bath salts and said about giving them as gifts. If you got a little jar like this, a little spoon, obviously you can use it in the kitchen as well, but it'd be good for things for the bathroom as well, like bath salts. I tell you what's probably going to go in it, something like cinnamon or something for some baking. But I do love all of this country farmhouse sort of style stuff. And the tray was £6. It's a tree trunk tray. It's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? And the little glass jar was £2, which I think is a good price. If you've never ordered from them before, or if you know somebody that's never ordered from them before, you want to put an order in, just remember that if you spend over £20, then 25% off, which off these items is actually quite a lot, isn't it? So it's definitely worth doing. Just adds to that cozy house vibe. I wanted to get some of these as well. Like, I know that it's more plastic and that is not ideal, but I did think it would be quite good to start getting like really bulk buying shampoo and conditioner and things, getting the big bottles, but I don't want to have them on the side of the bath, so I thought I would decant them into some of these make it really straightforward for the kids as well, because with all the different lotions and potions in the bathroom, sometimes when I ask Dylan and Toby what they've used to wash their hair, they're using like things that aren't shampoo and stuff, and you know, it's just going to be a bit more streamlined having everything decanted into these bottles. So I think these were £2 each. I'll double check in just a second. And I got body wash, shampoo and conditioner, and I just think they're going to look nicer. They'll look nice on the bath board or something. Just makes everything feel a bit more tidy, less cluttered and just more streamlined, like I say. So yeah, that was something I've been thinking about getting for a little while. Yeah, £2 each they were. I also got some of these and I was going to put them, I don't know whose room to put them in. Archie and Dylan's room has more grey. Toby's is more of a gamer room, so it might go in Archie and Dylan's room, but it's just some of these little ball string lights. It just comes with a little battery pack, so you just need 2 batteries for it. 6 LED ball string lights. I just think these are dead nice. Again, just making the room feel really nice and cozy. I love having the evenings with the bedroom with the lights low, getting the kids in bed, sitting and having story time when they're, you know, like, it's just really cozy. So all of this sort of thing just really adds to that. And they were £2.20 for them. And because I am just obsessing over anything cozy and just really romanticising autumn in general, I also got some more hot chocolates because the boys love a hot chocolate. I got the Milka ones that go in the Tassimo coffee machine. Archie absolutely loves to help me do this, putting the pods in, so that's all part of it as well. And then obviously I just need to get some whipped cream and marshmallows and they can have delicious hot chocolates. Especially, it's really nice when you come in from a really cold, wet school run as well. Like, that's a nice treat to come and have when we get in, get our pyjamas on and all of that. So these are essential to have in the cupboard. I also got a new water bottle. I actually didn't know it was glass though, so it's not one that the boys can use for school, but they keep stealing mine, so I'm probably gonna use this one. Hopefully I won't break it. It does feel really sturdy, to be fair. But yeah, it's just a water bottle with a little tag ribbon on top. I'm forever buying water bottles, it's just never ending. But this one can actually be for me because, like I say, mine get taken all the time. That was £2 for that, which I think is really good price actually. It's like a really thick glass bottle, so that's a good bargain. I got these as well, which I thought would be good for Archie, and they're just some bath crayons. I actually think it's quite a nice thing to put in stockings, things like this. I'm gonna actually start to stock up on things like that, so these might go up, like I say, just for little things to go in stockings. Just a fun little thing for them to play with whilst they're in the bath, and they wash off really easily as well. And they were £1.60. What else have we got? Oh, I got a new charging wire as well. Very varied haul. 1 meter lightning USB cable. This is something I need to stock up on. Again, great things for stockings, all of this kind of stuff. My boys with their chargers and their Switch chargers and now phone and tablet charger, just drives me insane. So this is definitely things that I need to keep stocked up because they break them. I don't know what they do with them. They just must be too rough with them, or they lose them. Wires that just drive me insane having to find the right cables for things. £1.60 for an iPhone USB cable. And then some really good brands that are just good to stock up on because of their low prices and obviously getting all delivered to your door is things like this big pack of Fairy washing tablets. I like to get non-bio always for my boys because of sensitive skin and eczema and things. So you've got 54 pods in this pack and they were £11 for them. I also got, a huge fabric softener as well. So this is 83 washes, it's also Fairy. That was just £4 for that. Oh, it's heavy. I need to go to the gym. I also got some Spring Awakening, the scent boosters. I have said that I don't use these. Obviously I know I've just said I get all sensitive for the boys stuff. These are the sort of thing that I use on like my bedding and cushion covers and things, just because the smell lasts for quite a while. I think they were £3. Yeah, £3 for those. And all of this stuff, like I say, with the discount that I've got, makes it much more affordable. I've also got 2 of these. I don't know if I've ordered 2 of them or whether they've sent me 2 of them, but I'm happy with that because I get through this really quite quickly actually. I really like the smell of this. The one with Febreze just feels like everything's really clean after I've used that. Oh, I think they've actually sent me 2 by accident, so I'm quite happy with that. One of them's bigger than the other one as well. Oh, got some of this stuff. some of these Fizz and Fresh. So they're just there's 8 tablets in here, and they just get rid of all the lime scale, calcium and rust in your toilet. No scrubbing involved, so that should be better and easier for cleaning the toilet. These are in the Pink Peony Fresh scent. I've never used these before. I hope they're good. £1.55 for that. What else have we got? And then the last few items, got some toilet duck. Again, always go for this ocean scent. I like that. And I got some Batiste, because once again, I tried some dry shampoo thinking I'll give that a go, which wasn't Batiste, and it's nowhere near as good. I always go back to this one, so I got some of that in the blush scent. And then also my favourite coffee in the entire world, the Nescafe Azera Americano. I would never pay full price for this though, like it's so expensive in the supermarkets. So it's only £3 on Cherryz, which is a lot cheaper. I do always like to buy that when I see it on offer. And yeah, I think that's everything. My big old haul. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing everything that I got. Like I say, the discount code is down below. If you follow the link through and use Carly Elizabeth at 25 off your first order of Cherryz, then you're going to get yourself a nice chunky saving of 25%. So yeah, go and have a look. And yeah, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and hopefully you'll come back again for my next video. Take care everyone. Bye.